We are in front of the Entegra Reatta XL
40 Q2.
and this is a 2022.
Right.
We're about to go in and review this one. The process will be is we'll first give you a tour of the rig, then we'll give you John's pet peeves and my favorite features, and then we'll take a look at the build quality, the perceived build quality. So we're going to look at how well the drawers work, what the woodworking is like, how well the doors work, whether or not they're loose screws, whether or not there's obvious signs that it just wasn't, put together properly. And be sure to put in the comments below the things that you like or dislike about this particular model.
This is nice. There's a drawer in the entrance step. Look at that. I think that's a nice feature.
Let's tell folks what we're in.
We are in a 2022 Reatta XL. Now this is not the one that we intended to review.
But it's the only XL that they had.
It's the only XL they had here. This XL is built on a Spartan chassis. It has a 380 horsepower diesel engine. Really nice. And as you can see, the cockpit is really a beautiful cockpit here. We have your radio, which I believe is touchscreen. Yes, it is. This beautiful dash. And it's nice. It has all these hands-free features, which I really wish we had for phone and for your cruise control. And it has all the standard equipment, auto levelers, and everything else you find in something this size. These seats also turn, and they're both recliners, which is a nice touch.
Are they comfortable?
They are. These things are big, padded, soft, and cushy. Wonderful. There's also plenty of storage above the driver's compartment and over the passenger seat. This is your wine guard antenna and a little more storage. All right.
What this one is missing, I think, that others have at this price point are the control panels on the passenger side.
That's right. This one is missing a control panel on the passenger side.
Ignore the phone, folks. It's in John's backpack and I can't get to it.
In the living area, we have this nice couch and two recliners with some deep storage right there between them. And these are electric recliners, of course, at this price point. This appears to be a fold-out bed, and it is. So you have an extra bed there. And we also have storage above these seats. This is where your television equipment is, right above your couch.
I like that window ledge.
That is pretty nice. That looks like a televator.
Oh.
It is.
That's a televator.
That is a televator right there.
So John,
yes?
I'm just going to scroll up for a minute because
look at that light.
Beautiful.
I should have looked up. That is nice.
It's beautiful light. Okay.
All right, and also on this side. Oh, you can come on in.
No, come
Sorry,
on in.
didn't want to interfere there.
You're not.
No.
It's okay.
We can click.
Our viewers understand. We have to share for the show.
Everything. Okay. Also, we have plenty of storage over the recliners and as well as over the dinette. It's brand new. See, these are strong springs here.
Yeah.
And lighting underneath as well as power. Well, it seems to be in the back.
Does it go down easily?
Oh, you have to take it out and up.
To lower it? Does it go up or down?
It goes, I think it goes up slightly and then you pull, you pull out and then it goes, oh, it's heavy though.
It's heavy, okay. So this might be a little tricky when it comes to laying these cushions out for the bed. It looks like these come off the back.
Yeah, they do.
And make up the rest of the bed.
Yeah, because it goes here on this ledge on the side.
I see. Okay.
The table lands here. And there are power outlets under there. Okay?
Yep.
So that's your dinette. Over here we have the kitchen with, it looks like this goes in and out.
That's good for extra prep space, but as you can see, I'm kind of short. You want to hold that?
Comment on.
This is kind of low. So if you're taller than 5'3", you might be chopping like this on it.
Yeah, we all took a shower. That was cool.
It was a good shower.
Okay.
Nice deep sink. Nice deep sink and with a very contemporary nozzle there. And Plenty of storage. Oh, look at that, all the remotes.
Oh, I like the tray.
This is nice, yes. No reaching for those spices, people. Oh, I almost didn't see that.
Nice.
Little hidden storage on either side.
And I like the fact that the window's open.
Oh yeah, this does open.
Slides open.
That's nice.
And it's like it has an induction cooktop.
It does. It doesn't
Two
look like this
burners.
one comes out, but this one is, yeah, 2-burner induction. And this nice large convection microwave. Look at that. Oh, look at this.
Residential fridge.
Pantry.
Lots of space. Pantry and the fridge is pretty big. Big. So lots of space. And then, oh, what a nice control panel. Wow.
Oh,
Look at this.
That's everything.
Yeah, this is pretty cool. Let's take a look at the bath.
Yeah. That's a half bath here.
It's a very nice bath.
It's very nice.
I'm guessing that's porcelain, John?
I believe so.
You've got your escape window there, and we all know how important escape windows are.
We need to escape.
Moving to the bedroom.
I'm not sure what size bed that is. Oh, look.
What is this?
A hamper.
Oh, that's nice. A hamper. We just throw stuff in our washing machine.
I know.
Nice fireplace. Plenty of storage in the bedroom. Nice deep drawers. Hey folks, if you want to come by, just holler and we'll
You're fine.
just let us know.
Thank you.
We don't want to keep you from looking.
No. Don't worry, I'll push you out of the way. That's fine.
Nice
We'll
size
get it on
bed.
film. Then we'll be viral.
And a nice bath.
Oh, this is nice, yes. Oh,
And then
quite
what
big.
we have here,
More closet space.
Closet
For you,
space.
that's a walk-in.
for me that's a walk-in. I don't require much.
And that
Must
slides
be a washer and dryer.
behind a sliding door.
Yep.
Sherry,
Yes. Lots of cabinet space.
tons.
Very nice.
So on the Reatta XL, there's several things. You're getting a bigger engine. That's probably the biggest thing. You're going from a 360 horse to a 380 horse ISL engine, a lot more torque. Then you're going to heated floors, aqua hot heat, which is your hot water and your house heat, right? You're going to a 10K generator, bigger screen here on the Vega Touch. So those are some of your highlights of the XL over the standard Reatta.
Awesome. Thank you so much. This is
Thank
a
you.
beautiful rig.
It
Okay,
is.
thanks.
I like this.
Yeah, this is a great coach.
So we've been through the coach, and now it is time for John's pet peeve.
Ah, my pet peeve.
Do you have a pet peeve?
Should have given me more time for this. Actually,
If
with
you
this-
don't, I do.
okay,
We
we'll
can
go
switch.
We'll go
you
with
do
you.
favorite feature, and I do pet peeve.
Yeah.
My pet peeve is that on a coach as nice as this with heated floors, I do not like how difficult it is to turn this booth into a bed.
Yeah, this is heavy.
That table is very heavy. There's a lot of maneuvering, and then not just that, but this pillow right here is then what you're lying on is your mattress, and that can't be very comfortable. All right, you get to do the favorite.
Well, I do like the kitchen and the deep sink. This whole faucet.
Okay.
This is nice.
All right.
I like the way
I
this-
would, if it were me and my favorite feature,
Yeah.
I would have said heated floors.
Oh, that is a good feature. Mm-hmm. I got you.
Okay, so now it's time for us to do the build quality. We're doing the perceived build quality by looking at how things are put together in the interior of the coach, how well the woodworking is, how well the drawers and doors work, how the screws are in. Thank you, John.
Yeah.
Yesterday you told me your arm got tired.
Yeah, but I
You're
was out
more
there
than
a long
welcome to
time.
get some exercise lifting the camera. Whee!
Okay.
Okay, so for this one, we only found 2 issues. One, there were some dents in the fireplace, and the only other thing is that there was an issue with how this piece of wood right here in the kitchen. Other than that, John, I don't think we found anything, did we?
No, the build quality is pretty good here. It's very nice.
So what would you give this?
I'd
Out of 10.
say an 8.5.
I think I'd give it a 9.
Okay, we'll go with 9.
Okay, 8.5.
We only found a
9.
couple
You can
of
average it
little
out
things.
if you want to, like, you know, be
8.75.
Okay. All right. All right, thanks everyone. We are on to the next one.